Hey, all my dear students. There was a chemical glitch, and that was technical glitch. Due to chemical, they have got one technical glitch, kids. Now just see that your Baba is audible and visible to all of you. Kids, fast, fast, do let me know, fast. Speedily, everyone, speedily. That your Baba is over here. V Shyam, Suryavidya, everyone. And I'm extremely sorry that I got 5 minutes late क्योंकि वहाँ एक chemical के कारण technical glitch आ गया था. But I would like to see in the chat section that everyone. Now, chemical kinetics. Zero order and first order, I will give you two theories. One theory for zero order, one theory for first order, so that every graphical question, numerical question, you can solve immediately. ये मेरा वादा है. 11 Baba, I have bio test, so I will definitely watch little bit later. Okay, 11 you could have told me, then I must have rescheduled the class 11 but no problem. Yeah, this lecture first I will teach you for zero order and first order just in 10 minutes so that you can solve all the questions. But do let me know that Baba is loud and clear. Assuming everyone, just to let me know, is Baba loud and clear? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Just from the scratch. Yes, I'm going to tell you this thing from the scratch. I'm going to tell you this thing from the scratch. From zero level, I will tell you from scratch. I will let you know each and everything. I will give you just two theories, for one for zero order and one for first order. But you have to tell me that you are ready. मुझे सर पढ़ाओ या आप पढ़ाएंगे, बट मुझे बताओ कि क्या आप मुझे देख पा रहे हैं, सुन पा रहे हैं? सभी लोग मुझे जल्दी से बताओ, क्या मैं दिख रहा हूं और सुन रहा हूं? क्या आप सभी लोग मुझे देख पा रहे हैं, सुन पा रहे हैं? कोई भी नहीं लिख रहा है, जल्दी से लिखो, जल्दी से. Clearly audible and visible. Yes, shall we sing? Everyone, just see. Now Baba is going to tell you. First, zero order. First, see zero order. Zero order. My dear students, just in 10 minutes, I will tell you each and everything so that you can solve each and every question, right? Okay, kids? Okay, say na yes. So that you can solve each and every question. Zero order. Now, you know that zero order is involving surface chemistry. For example, if I say there is, यहाँ पर एक रखा हुआ है platinum. You know that nickel, palladium, platinum, they are having vacant d orbitals. So if I say it is having vacant d orbital, right? Vacant d orbital. So vacant d orbital, this is your vacant d orbital. आपको समझ में आया ना? पहले मैं थ्योरी बताऊंगा 10 मिनट, then we will solve all the questions, whatever the previous year questions or other questions. Ready, kids? I can't see you green signal. Everyone, if you are ready, show me green signal that yes, you are ready. Everyone, so that you can solve all the questions. This is the fundamental thing Baba is going to give you. Fundamental thing. Now see, vacant d orbital is over here and we are having ammonia gas. Let's say, let me write down this gas, 2 moles of ammonia on hot platinum surface gets decomposed into N2 plus 3 times H2. Is it balanced? It's balanced reaction. It belongs to a zero order chemical kinetics. That means rate does not depend on the concentration. We know very well that rate of zero order reaction is like this. Rate is equal to K, but independent of the concentration of ammonia. That power is 0. So rate is just dependent on K. Now, the thing arises, why? What's the reason? Everyone, are you ready to see the reason? Surya Buddha and Santi Moimandal, very good, very good. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, 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 yes. Now see, if I say number of ammonia molecules, suppose these are ammonia molecules, let me say this is ammonia. So there are number of ammonia molecules 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Infinite ammonia molecules, right? Infinite ammonia molecules. Now just see, ये आप मान लीजिए ammonia molecules are neat aspirants. These are like neat aspirants. Ammonia molecules are like neat aspirants or IIT aspirants. You can say they are like either neat aspirants or IIT JEE aspirants. And this is the one who is allowing them to cross the energy barrier, right? These are the guards. You can say these are the guards. यहाँ guard बैठी है चंपा, चंपा बैठी है चंपा, चंपा जिसको टिकट काट देगी वही लोग आगे जा पाएंगे. चंपा, चंपा, the catalyst, this platinum is, this is a catalyst. Now tell me kids, क्या ये concentration पे depend करेगा कि how many ammonia molecules are there या कितने ammonia इस PT, चंपा का नाम PT रख देते हैं. चंपा का नाम कुछ नाम बताओ. PT से कोई नाम बताओ. ओम्स कैप्ट्रिक, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. मुझे बताओ शांति मोईमंडल, कोई PT से नाम बताओ. PT से चंपा की जगह PT से नाम रख देते हैं. पिट. हाँ सूर्य बुद्धा, वेरी गुड. एवरीवन जस्ट टू लेट मी नो, PT से कोई कैटलिस्ट का नाम बताओ. कैटलिस्ट का नाम PT से, PT. जल्दी इन द चैट सेक्शन जल्दी बताओ PT से कोई नाम. PT. कोई बता ही नहीं रहा. नो वन इज टेलिंग मी. PT से कोई नाम बताओ यहाँ. PT से. These are ammonia reactant molecules. These are reactant. We know very well these are reactants. चलो इसको PT बोल देते हैं, कैटलिस्ट PT. कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स इसके कांटेक्ट में हैं? कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 लोग इससे इंटरेक्ट करेंगे. 11 molecules will interact with this at a time. Now it depends on the PT, it depends on the catalyst PT कि वो कितना टाइम ले रही है. How much time the PT is taking, that is K. That is what? K. How much time is taken by PT? How much time is taken by PT to convert ammonia into H2 and nitrogen. That is, it's the efficiency of PT. That is the efficiency of PT. Efficiency, and this efficiency is K, and K does not depend on the concentration. K depends only on temperature. K depends only temperature dependent. Only temperature dependent, because we know that For each 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate of reaction sometimes becomes double, triple, like that. Now, यहाँ पे कितने मॉलिक्यूल्स हैं डज नॉट मैटर, कितने इसके कांटेक्ट में है, इस प्लैटिनम सरफेस के कांटेक्ट में, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज surface phenomena, adsorption. So irrespective of the reactants concentration, the molecules which are in contact with these platinum surface will only get converted into nitrogen and hydrogen. Got it? No need of derivation, no need of differentiation, integration. I hope you must have got it, that this reaction is independent on the concentration of reactant. That only depends on the efficiency of this, and that's why with the increase in time, the reactant will keep on converting into product, and the speed, that how fast. So rate, I would like to say, for its, the formula will come out to be like how much concentration is left, how much concentration is left at time t. Let us suppose the concentration of ammonia, this square bracket is indicating active mass, you can take it to be molarity. The concentration of ammonia left at time t is equal to the concentration of ammonia we have taken in the starting minus KT, minus KT. This is the formula. कितना बचा डिपेंड्स ऑन कितना लिया था, कितनी तेजी से कितने वक्त के लिए रिएक्शन हो गया. Yes, platinum catalyst means platinum. Lucky Shiva, you got it. Everyone got it. What concentration is left? That is equal to starting concentration minus KT. For how much time, how speedily the reaction is taking place. Let me write down this thing on the another page so that everyone can understand. For zero order reaction, we will write R is equal to K, and the concentration of reactant doesn't matter. So R is equal to K, and if I say the unit of K, rate, we know that rate is dx upon dt, that is change in concentration with respect to time, change in concentration with respect to time, and concentration is moles per liter per time. So I can say this is the rate constant, this K is a rate constant, you can say rate constant, or you can say this is velocity constant, or you can say this is specific reaction rate, my dear students. You can say this is specific reaction rate, you can call it a specific reaction rate, my dear students. So you can say this is the unit of K, so K is coming out moles per liter time inverse. So this, I hope everyone got it. Now the second thing, how much concentration, means the reaction will keep on moving, the reactants will keep on converting into product. So kitna bacha concentration, the left concentration, if I say this A at time t, what does it mean? The left concentration of reactant at particular time t, is equal to the starting, that is initial concentration, minus how speedily, for how much time, कितनी तेजी से reactant product में convert हो रहा है और कितने time के लिए. Just like if you go to the railway station, टिकट बाबू क्या करता है, टिकट काटता है, या ये लो, जाओ ट्रेन में बैठो, लो टिकट ट्रेन में बैठो, लो टिकट ट्रेन में बैठो, लो भैया टिकट ट्रेन में बैठो। तो जितनी तेजी से बाबू टिकट देगा ट्रेन में, लोग यात्री उतनी जल्दी बैठेंगे। कितनी लंबी लाइन लगी उस पर डिपेंड नहीं करेगा। माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट मी टेल यू दिस एनालॉगी। जैसे कि टिकट बाबू कोई टिकट काट रहा है, ये विंडो है, इस विंडो पे टिकट काटने वाले बैठे और यहाँ पे पैसेंजर्स खड़े हुए, पैसेंजर्स खड़े हुए, पैसेंजर्स खड़े हुए, लाइन लगी हुई, लाइन लगी हुई, लाइन लगी हुई है। मुझे बताओ कि यहाँ दो बाबू बैठे हुए हैं, दो बाबू, एक मैडम बैठी हुई है और एक मुंडा चंपा बैठा हुआ है। इन पे डिपेंड करेगा कि इन पे डिपेंड करेगा। ये लाइन खूब होनोलुलु तक हो, स्विट्जरलैंड तक हो, कितनी भी लंबी लाइन हो, डजंट मैटर। हाउ स्पीडली they are giving the ticket, they are giving the ticket, these people will go to the train। इनको ट्रेन पकड़नी है, ट्रेन में वही लोग टिकट लेके बैठ पाएंगे, रिजर्वेशन नहीं है मान लो, तो ट्रेन में वही लोग बैठ पाएंगे जिनको टिकट मिलेगा। सो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग द वन हु वाज गिविंग टिकट एंड हाउ स्पीडली दैट पर्सन वाज गिविंग टिकट, उन पे डिपेंड करेगा। ये पैसेंजर की कितनी लाइन खड़ी हुई है, पैसेंजर्स की कितनी लंबी लाइन है, डजंट मैटर, डजंट मैटर। दैट्स अ जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन। कितने लोगों को आया? शांति मोय मंडल सर थोड़ा स्पीड करवाओ। हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये जीरो ऑर्डर हो गया। ओके, जीरो ऑर्डर हो गया शांति मोय मंडल। नाउ आई विल टेल यू फर्स्ट ऑर्डर एंड देन आई विल स्विच टू द क्वेश्चंस, राइट? नाउ if this much is clear, now see the graphical representation of zero order. Let's see the graphical representation of zero order. Okay, एक काम करते हैं, zero order देख लिया, एक बार first order भी देख लेते हैं, and then we will see all the graphs and then we will switch to the questions, right? शांति मोए? हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल शांति मोय मंडल, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। कितने लोग प्रेजेंट हो जरा मुझे बताओ, सो दैट आई कैन चेक। जिन लोगों ने कहा था मॉर्निंग में क्लास लेना, वो लोग आए हैं कि नहीं आए हैं, नहीं तो फिर इवनिंग में रखूंगा, है ना? शांति मोय मंडल, लेट मी चेक। जिन लोगों ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि मॉर्निंग में आएंगे वो दिख नहीं रहे। एनीवेज दिस इज क्लियर, नाउ क्लियर। ये स्टोरी समझ में आई कि नहीं आई पहले बताओ? तुम लोगों ने कुछ कहा ही नहीं, इतनी बढ़िया स्टोरी सुनाई जीरो ऑर्डर के लिए, बट कोई अप्रिशिएट ही नहीं किया। Lucky Shiva, yes, I will make schedule. Already I have made. I will share it to you. But मुझे एक बात बताओ, किसी ने तारीफ ही नहीं की, समझ में नहीं आई क्या जीरो ऑर्डर की रिएक्शन? Why? It does not depend on the concentration of reactant. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कि किसी ने तारीफ ही नहीं की। खैर एनीवेज, लेट मी टेल यू फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर first order chemical kinetics, the scientific fundamental story is, scientific fundamental story is let's suppose if I say this side we are having reactant, this side we are having reactant, these are reactants, right? Or these are reactants, and these people want to convert into, these people want to go to heaven, स्वर्ग, स्वर्ग जाना चाहते हैं, स्वर्ग जाना चाहते हैं। कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? स्वर्ग, स्वर्ग लाइक हेवन, यहां जाना चाहते हैं, स्वर्ग लाइक हेवन। बट यहां पर एक किला है, क्या है? किला। इस किले से फाइट करनी होगी, और इस किले में ये लोग क्या करते हैं? दिस इज फोर्ट, यहां पे दुश्मन है, दुश्मन है, दुश्मन है, मींस दिस इज प्रोडक्ट। लेट मी राइट डाउन, दिस साइड इज प्रोडक्ट। Now this is the people, the barrier ये लोग दुश्मन है, दुश्मन। और दुश्मन क्या करता है, यहां से केमिकल फ्लो कर देता है। राजा का किला है और राजा का किला केमिकल स्प्रेड कर देता है, केमिकल। और केमिकल इनके पैर में लगेगा, ये मर जाएंगे। कितनी देर में मरेंगे, दैट इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट। ये केमिकल, दिस केमिकल विल टच देयर लेग्स, और ये केमिकल ऊपर ऊपर जाने लगेगा और इनको किल कर देगा, किल कर देगा, किल कर देगा। केमिकल विल किल देम, केमिकल विल। या लकी शिवा टुडे, लकी शिवा आज शेयर कर दूंगा पक्का। यू आर राइट, आज पक्का, फॉर श्योर, प्रॉमिस, गॉड प्रॉमिस। ये सब मर जाएंगे। और ये विलन है, क्या है, विलन, villain, the energy barrier, or you can say the threshold energy or activation energy, whatever you want to say. So this is villain. सब लोग मर जाएगा। तो what they decided कि सबके पैर में केमिकल लगेगा, सब मर जाएंगे। तो इन्होंने कहा हम ऐसे फाइट नहीं करेंगे, हम दुश्मन से कैसे फाइट करें कि जिंदा बच जाएं। ओके शिवा, ओके। सो व्हाट दे डिसाइडेड, इन्होंने कहा हम एक काम करते हैं, एक के कंधे पे एक बैठ जाते हैं, एक के कंधे पे एक बैठ जाते हैं। लेट्स सिट, लेट्स टेक पोजीशन लाइक दिस। तो एक मरेगा और एक बच जाएगा, एक मरेगा एक बच जाएगा, मींस दिस विल डाई एंड दैट विल रिमेन सेफ। एक मरेगा एक बच जाएगा, इसकी सर पे चढ़ गया, ऐसे बैठ गया, इसके कंधे पे बैठ गया, कंधे पे, जैसे राम जी हनुमान जी के कंधे पे बैठ गए थे, बैठ गया। अब मुझे बताइए कि इफ आई से कि 1,00,000 पीपल हैं या 1 मोल है, इफ आई से नाउ these are 2 moles, if I say these are 2 moles, 2 mole reactants, and if I say this chemical is affecting and taking 30 minutes. Okay, Parnashri, I was waiting for you. Okay, now see, this chemical is coming into their legs. This chemical is coming and destroying their legs. But these blue people are safe. Only chemical is going to hit the yellow people will die. Yellow people will die. But these green or bluish green, these green people will remain safe. Am I right? Because chemical is not able to touch these green people. So green are safe. Green are safe. Are you able to understand this much? The chemical will touch the feet of, and it will get inside the body of only yellow people, but green people are safe. Green people will remain safe. That means if chemical is hitting and it is taking 30 minutes, 30 minutes. So just to let me know, in 30 minutes, how many people will convert from reactant into product? This chemical is hitting these people, and I will not say Swarg, that is, they are converting into, they are going to some other world. So let me remove from Swarg, otherwise everyone would like to go to the Swarg. So let me tell you, they are converting into another product, that is product, whatever the product, they are becoming product. They are converting into another chemical. This chemical will convert into another chemical. But in 30 minutes, how many moles will left? Do let me know the answer in the chat section. Narak, yes. Narak में पहुंच गए, that means hell में पहुंच गए, hell. They have gone to hell. They were not trying to go to the hell, but these people have gone into hell. Just to let me know, in 30 minutes, 2 moles. 2 moles will remain 1 mole. 2 moles will remain 1 mole. So let me tell you that the starting concentration is 2 moles, that in 30 minutes it will remain 1 mole. Then in 30 minutes it will remain half mole. Am I right, kids? So just see, this is, they are converting into, keep on converting. Do you think this will end half mole? Then in 30 minutes 1 by 4 mole. Then in 30 minutes 1 by 8 mole. Then in 30 minutes 1 by 16 mole. Do let me know when this reaction will get complete. So the answer is first order reaction will never get complete. 11, very good. First order reaction will never get completed. It will keep on moving. First order reaction will never get completed, कभी भी खत्म ना होने वाली reaction. For example, if I give you 2 mole rupees, and if I say in every 30 minutes you are supposed to spend half of the money, so 2 mole rupees, 30 minutes you will be having 1 mole rupee. Next 30 minutes you will be having half mole rupees. Next 30 minutes 1 by 4 mole rupees. Will you be able to spend all the money? Never get completed. Never. Now my dear students, the two stories I have told you, zero order and first order, nowhere in this world can tell you these two fundamental based stories to solve all the questions. Now, just to complete half of the reaction, do you think it is dependent on the concentration or it depends on T half? So remember that for first order reaction, T half does not depend on concentration. For first order reaction, T half doesn't depend on what? Doesn't depend on concentration. Whatever the concentration, whatever the people, just in 30 minutes they will become half, irrespective of the number of people. कितने लोग हैं इससे मतलब नहीं है. Chemical is saying I will make you half in 30 minutes. Does not depend even on initial concentration. 11. It doesn't depend on the concentration. But if you see zero order reaction, more the people, more time will be required to convert half of the reactant into product. So it is directly proportional. For zero order. For zero order, T half is directly proportional to concentration. But for first order reaction, T half is independent on the concentration. Now, till now, whatever I taught you, I have not used differentiation, I have not used integration, I have not used any formula. मुझे बताइए सब लोग, क्या अभी तक बाबा HSP ने कोई फॉर्मूला यूज किया, कैलकुलस यूज की, कुछ भी यूज नहीं किया? आई हैव टोल्ड यू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ विजुअलाइजेशन. सब कुछ बताया है विजुअलाइजेशन की दम पे। सर आप अवॉइड कर रहे हो किसको? शांतिमय मंडल, क्या हुआ बेटा, क्या हुआ? मुझे बताओ बेटा, क्या हुआ? आवाज आ रही है? क्लियर? विजुअलाइजेशन क्लियर? बेटा मुझे बताओ, सब लोग सब कुछ क्लियर? Sir, I become 1 mole after another 30 minutes becomes half mole, then 1/4. Yes, yes. Pranshri, you are getting Shantimoi Mandal, what happened? मुझे बताओ बेटा, क्या हुआ? मैं फ्लो में पढ़ा रहा जाता और मुझे पता नहीं लगा। शांतिमय मंडल, क्या हुआ बेटा? सर आप अवॉइड कर रहे हो किसको बेटा, बताओ। मैं Pranshri, now is it clear? The visualization part for zero order and first order is clear to everyone. Now let's see the formula for first order and zero order. Okay, now let's see the formula wise. Now if I say on left hand side zero order, right hand side first order. Zero order, first order. Sir, print. Acha, okay. Wait. I got it. Wait. Wait, just wait. Beta, just wait. Now see. Okay. Okay. Shantimoy Mandal. Okay. Now is it okay? Shantimoy. Now kids, let me tell you the same thing with the help of formula. Everyone must have taught you the formulas. Everywhere in the book formulas are written, but the visualization is not anywhere. Visualization is not present anywhere, kids. Now see, zero order. Let's see the formula. Left concentration A at time t, left concentration at time t is equal to initial concentration minus kt. There what you are supposed to do, there don't do anything, write down the same formula. A at time t is equal to A naught, initial concentration minus kt. Now both the two formulas are same. Just what you are supposed to do, add ln, alone, that's it. Got it? Everyone got it? Is it clear? How is the formula? Without any derivation, without anything, just I made these two formulas. So this is left concentration, this is initial concentration. Now if I say here zero order reaction, in a zero order reaction, can I compare this with the straight line equation? Y is equal to, can I write y is equal to minus mx plus c. Can I write like this? y is equal to minus mx, or I rearrange y is equal to minus m into x plus c. So can you correlate it? In place of y, it is equal to a at time t is equal to minus negative slope. This k is here, and this time is tx, and plus c is the starting concentration. Now, this is, you know very well, in mathematics, y is equal to minus mx plus c. Now, everyone can make a graph of it. You can plot a graph of it, right? Baba, not t, c hoga. Where c? यहाँ पे कहाँ पे c? mx plus c. mx plus c. This constant, this is constant, this is तो constant ना. कहां पर होगा मुझे बताओ, कहां पे गड़बड़ लग रहा है? where correction is required, just to let me know. कहां पर where you required, let me check it out. A at time t is equal to a naught minus kt, y is equal to minus mx. Okay, this is mx, time is x, mx plus c. Okay, so now here also you can plot for y is equal to minus mx plus c. So you can see only the difference of ln is there, ln is there, ln is there. Now if I say that to convert half of the reactant into product here, can I write it like this? Can I bring this KT on this side? So KT is equal to ln A naught minus ln A at time t. Now this, can I write it like this? KT is equal to ln initial concentration upon left concentration. Can I write like this? Now, can I say that how many people have become X? How many people have become X? Hey, everyone, are you getting my point? Everyone, are you getting my point? Now, in place of this, can I say X? Can I write X? Because these many people have gone to, how many people have gone to hell? That depends on time and the speed, time on the speed, or whatever is the left concentration. So X is equal to KT. I have no X. Oh my God. Everyone is enjoying. Now, my dear students, so this is the formula. So can I write like this? K is equal to 1 upon T ln of initial concentration upon left concentration. Can I convert into, I know that ln x is equal to 2.303 log base 10x. So K is equal to 2.303 upon T log base 10. Initial concentration, let me say initial concentration is A. So A minus X, can I write like this? Or I can simply write it like this, that K is equal to 2.303 upon T log base 10 initial concentration upon left concentration. All they are same, all they are same or not? I hope that everyone got it. Everyone is able to understand. Now, if I talk about T half, so in this formula, if I put T half, then after some time, the half of the reactant got converted into product. So initial is A. Then how many will remain? A by 2 A will cancel out, 2 will come over there. Log 2 is 0.3010, 0.3 into 2.30, 0.693. So can I write here T half is equal to 0.693 by K. So you see its T half is not dependent on the concentration. For first order reaction, T half is not dependent on the concentration. But if you see over here, if I say half of the reactant got converted into product, so if I say half of the reactant got converted into product, so after time T, if I write here T half, let me write down. So if I say KT, if I bring KT over here, so I will say A naught minus A at time T. Now if I say, if I write down this T half, then left concentration will be half of this A naught minus half of that. So half of A. So I will say K T half is equal to, this will become A naught, whatever the initial concentration, divided by 2. So T half is dependent on initial concentration or not. Let me bring over there. So I will say T half is equal to A naught initial concentration upon 2K. So this is dependent. Its T half is dependent on initial concentration. Its T half is independent. And after such a long derivation, I have reached up to here. And through visualization, I have told you this thing immediately. Okay, Shanti Boy Mandal. Everyone, 11, first of all, do let me know this thing. And Shanti Boy Mandal, you can take a screenshot. Now 11, and other people, just do let me know that Baba's, I'm not appreciating myself, but you see, looking very horrible after such a long derivation, whatever the thing we are able to see. I have told you with the fundamental scientific story, both the two things which are very, very important for your examination. Do let me know. Parnashri, done everyone. Now let's see the graphs. If I say the first graph, concentration A at time T, no ln is written over here. So this is for zero order. If anybody is asking, this is for zero order or first order. Do let me know. Thank you 11. Thank you Paranshri. Now do let me know. So definitely I have taught you that left concentration at time T is equal to initial concentration minus KT. If you see this graph, A y is equal to minus mxc. If I correlate, if I rearrange it, A concentration at time T is equal to minus KT plus A naught. So this is your intercept, this is your slope, negative slope, minus K is slope, and this is the left concentration, and left concentration keep on decreasing as the time is increasing. Now slope, I have told you the slope depend on the catalyst. The slope can go like that, the slope can be like this, slope can be like this, this slope can be like that, this slope can be like this. It all depends on the efficiency. That how fast that catalyst is converting reactant into product, not depend on the concentration. Got it? So slope can be anything. Everyone got it? Once you are getting it, keep on showing green color. If you're not able to, Shanti sir, आप क्यों नहीं मिले पहले? अरे thank you. आज उनसे पहली मुलाकात होगी. Anyways, because of your visualization, I am asking schedule and classes today, Lucky Shiva, today I will share, pakka, but keep on showing green signal kits if you are able to understand. Now second graph. Now this X, what is X? X, to let me know, X is that how much reactant got converted into product. X is indicating, X indicates how much reactant converted into product. How much reactant converted into product. Now see X, and this X increases with respect to time, and this is slope. Now tell me, this is zero order or first order? This is zero order or first order? So definitely I will Medhavi for sure, very clear. This is also for valid for zero order and as well as for everyone. Now graphical representation. A rate for zero order, concentration is increasing, but rate is constant. Now tell me, this is right or wrong? This is right or wrong? Or simply if they are asking, this is which order reaction, first order reaction or zero order reaction? So tell me, this is right or wrong? This is right or wrong? This is right or wrong? This is zero order reaction, and rate does not depend on the concentration. Rate does not depend on the. Now let me tell you one very good thing. Should I tell you? Shall we sing? Sir please electrochemistry को बताएं. ठीक है, मैं बताऊंगा. एक बड़ी सी अच्छी सी. In today night I will give one short video for ionic equilibria formulas. शाम को आयनिक इक्विलिब्रिया के जो सॉल्ट, हाइड्रोलिसिस and other confusing formulas, I will give one short video, just like confusing reactions. Okay, now let me tell you one thing, very good thing. See, if I tell you T half and the rate, two things, T half and the rate. If I write here zero order, and if I write here first order, just see, everyone, just see. Now let me divide it like this. Now tell me everyone, for T half, if I talk about T half for zero order, T half for zero order is dependent on concentration or independent? Depends on concentration. First order doesn't depend on concentration, doesn't depend. Am I right, kids? Now if I say rate depends, rate of zero order depends on concentration, rate of zero order, rate doesn't depend on concentration. But for first order, rate depends on, doesn't depend. Rate of first order reaction depends on concentration or not? Yes, more the reactants, more will be converting into product. First in the starting there were 2 moles, half mole got converted. As the time keeps on moving, the rate of first order reaction also keeps on decreasing. Am I right? Starting में 2 मोल में से 1 मोल कन्वर्ट हुआ प्रोडक्ट में, then half मोल कन्वर्ट हुआ, more the concentration of reactant, more product formation. So depends on initial concentration. Now these things, can you speedily answer with the formula or with the visualization? What is more important? The formula is more important or the visualization is more important? Kids, do let me know what is more important. Here it depends, here it depends, here it does not depend, here it does not depend. Crisscross, crisscross. The visualization is very important thing. Now keeping all these things in brain, now tell me this slide is clear. Is this slide, you are okay with this slide or not? Everyone just to let me know. Are you agreed with this slide or not? Everyone just to let me know. Very good, Lucky Shiva. Shanti Mohe sir, we want question. Okay, now let's start. Let's start with the questions. Low, bhai, low. Here is the question. Answer it. Fast, speedily answer it. Okay. Very good question. Fast, speedily. Let's see how many of you can do these questions. Ashipriya, yes. Today I will try to do it. Ashipriya, today, pakka, pakka. For sure. B, Ashipriya, Ayyo, Ranga Swami, Ashipriya is very fast. 11 is going for C and Ashipriya is going for B. For a reaction A to B, enthalpy of reaction is this much and enthalpy of activation is this. The correct potential energy profile. Oh my God. For a reaction A to B, enthalpy of reaction is this much. That means this is, they are talking about change in enthalpy of reaction. This is the difference, and negative sign is indicating that it is exothermic reaction. This is indicating delta H is equal to minus 4.2 kilojoule. That is indicating this is exothermic reaction, and exothermic reaction means, that means reactants are having more energy. Reactants must having more energy and product less energy. Product will have less energy, then only the product will have more stability. So you see, this is endo. This is not the answer because for endo delta H is positive and this is exo. So delta H is negative. This can be our answer. This is equal, delta H is 0, can't be the answer, and delta H is equal to positive, can't be the answer. Only one is answer and that is this one. Fantastic, Ashipriya. This much time was okay. 11, you missed it by chance. Pranshri, your answer is also wrong. Arey bhai, how these many people have given wrong answer? This was simple question. This is endo. You see, this is having less energy, that is having more energy. So difference is delta H. Only one exothermic. How you missed it? And Shantimoy Mandal, you have to not given the answer. Shantimoy Mandal, what happened? Next question. Congratulations, Ashipriya. Here is another question. Just see kids. Ashipriya, sir, are you not upset for me na? Arey, Ashipriya, you are my student, best student. How Baba can upset? but be regular. आप regular नहीं हो, that is a thing to be worried. Upset नहीं, but हिमायती हूँ आपके लिए. 1111 is going for A. Let's see. The half-life for a zero order, this is the point to be noted, my lord. Zero order reaction having this much initial concentration of reactant is 100 second. The rate constant, okay. So, kids, formula we know. What was the formula? So, the formula was A at time t is equal to initial concentration A naught minus KT. Now they are talking about half-life. So for half-life, this will become half and this initial concentration. So let me write down KT over here, and this minus this. This is full, this is half. So it will remain A naught by 2. So they are writing T half. So here T half. So what in the formula they are talking about the half-life for zero order reaction having this much initial concentration. So actually it's over initial concentration they have given, and this also they have given. So rate constant we are supposed to find out. Let's see kids, what should be the answer? So K is equal to the initial concentration is given 0.02 and it's half of it 0.01. Am I right? And T half is given 100 seconds. So let me solve it. Can you solve it, kids? That is the problem. Can I write 1 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and this will go 10 raised to power minus 2. So 10 raised to power minus 2. So it will become 10 raised to power minus 4. So 10 raised to power minus 4. Very good, 1111. Very, sir, not much active in phone. So don't. But Ashipriya, Baba's class is very, very important. आपको इसके लिए कई $1 million पे करने पड़ सकते हैं. अच्छा मुझे बताओ आशिप्रिया, किड्स, आशिप्रिया इज अ वेरी गुड गर्ल. मुझे बताओ आज तक किसी ने केमिकल काइनेटिक्स के आपको ये दो विजुअलाइजेशन, चाहे आपने कितनी भी फीस पे की हो, whatever the fees you have paid anywhere, this visualization, is there anyone who has given you this visualization? No one can give you this visualization. Even teachers, 99.9% teachers, they don't know this thing. No one can give you. Whatever amount you pay. This is the answer. Now another question, kids. Another question. Okay, Ashipriya. Okay. Shanti Moy Mandal, yes. Thank you. Very good. Now, here is another question. An increase in the concentration of reactant of a reaction leads to change in an increase in the concentration. Very good question. Very fundamental question, kids. A. Pranshri is going for A. Let me check it out. Oh, A is not the answer. Why A is not the answer? Let me tell you. Let me draw a graph for it. If I say this is x-axis, and if I say this is y-axis, and if I say this is the potential energy of reactants, and if I say any reaction, let's take exothermic reaction, from reactant it is getting converted into product. So this energy, that energy, they will never change. Only more the molecules, more will be collision. Just like on road, more the vehicles, more the chances of accident. Only this can be the answer. This will not change, this will not change, this will not change. This is fixed, this is fixed, this is fixed. Only collision frequency says that more the number of particles, more the chances of colliding, more the number of people on the road. The destination distance will not change. Let me tell you, if there is a road, so if I say from Delhi to Shimla, do you think the distance will change of the road? Never change. Do you think that the length of the road will change? Will not change. Neither the distance will change, nor the length and breadth will change. Only if more and more people are increasing on the road, more the vehicles are keep on increasing, then chances of accident will increase. Only one thing can get increased, that if more molecules, if concentration is increasing. Concentration is what? Density is what? Tell me, kids, what is density? Density is density. Density is mass upon volume. Density is mass upon volume. More the mass, same volume, density will increase. So just like that, concentration is more the number of people, number of entities divided upon volume. Have you ever seen that in this world only two things are there? If you go by the plane to anywhere, Delhi to Singapore, प्लेन हायर किया तो आपका टिकट नंबर से लगता है और आपका वेट नहीं, वॉट एवर द वेट यू आर हैविंग डजंट मैटर, वन टिकट, बट वॉट एवर द लगेज यू आर टेकिंग, luggage is not counted by the briefcase wise, they will have weight of it. See the policy. Sir, wow, Lucky Shiva, thank you. Oh, right, Lucky Shiva, what Lucky Shiva is writing, sir, this team steal your plan by taking same type of classes. Oh my God, really? Now see kids, have you ever seen, whenever we are, see the analogy Baba is going to give you. Whenever we are traveling through plane, our luggage is like density is equal to mass upon volume. But we people are counted number of people upon volume. So see, this is the concentration. Concentration is nothing. Concentration is like density only. We are always thinking, oh my God, what is the concentration? Concentration is how many molecules per unit volume. That is the molarity. That is the normality. Thank you, Shiva, Lucky Shiva. Thank you. Now I have become your big fan. Now I will start. I will give you the schedule today only. Lucky Shiva, I was not aware of that, but you are really Baba's big fan. So today I will give a schedule and I will keep on teaching for class 11th. I will start. Now kids, have you ever seen, now more the people will increase, more the chances of collision means accident chances will increase. So kids, this question Baba has solved in a very, very different way. Now another question, this question, just go through this. Lucky Shiva, now to Baba will give you schedule. Pakka, for sure. Today only. Yes, yes, Shanti Moi, yes, yes. Now, what's the answer? B. 1111 is going for B. Hydrocarbon lecture, Visham. Okay, I will give, but everyone share it. I want to see 100 people on the screen, that live viewers. Then only Baba will take. Visham, you have to make it viral up to 100 students so that I want to see 100 students. Then only Baba will take live on hydrocarbon. Thank you, Lucky Shiva. Thank you. Now B, 1111 is going for B. Let me check it out. Activation area of A is higher than, oh my God. At 300 Kelvin, activation energy of A is higher than B by this much in presence of catalyst. Calculate Kb by Ka. At 300 Kelvin, activation energy of A is higher than B by this in presence of catalyst. I am तो unable to understand this question. Baba तो unable to understand. Kids, क्या आपको समझ में आया? आशी प्रिया is also going for B. Shalvi Singh is also going for B. Pranshari is also going for B. Everyone is going for B, and Baba is unable to understand. How? How, kids? Baba to unable to understand how you solved it. I am to unable to understand. Now, which formula you have applied, kids? Which formula you have applied? Baba is unable to understand which formula. K is equal to AE. Okay, K is equal to AE. So since people are going for B, and let me check it out. B is the correct answer. Wow. Baba is unable to understand, but you people have solved it. Very good, very good, very good. Now another question. Wow, Ashi Priya, thank you, thank you. So nice of you. Baba is your fan. Baba is your fan. Ashi Priya. Pranshri, sir, since B has lower activation energy, it reacts faster, so its rate constant is higher. The given energy difference, Pranshri, everyone, huge round of applause for Pranshri. Wow, Pranshri, wow. Now B, B. Okay, let's see the answer. B is the answer. Now, kids, how many of you want to solve this question in number of ways? How many ways should I tell you to solve this question? 1, 2, 3. How many ways you want? Tell me, kids. Let me tell you 3 ways. This is time taken for this of a radioactive substance to decay, half-life of this. One thing is missing, that is first order reaction. So let's say time taken for this for a radioactive substance to decay 2.4 gram. Now see, first way, first approach, that is Desi approach without formula, right? First approach is without formula, like a layman, without formula, right? I know that you people have given the correct answer, but then also by chance in the examination you have forgotten the formula. Let me tell you, it is 12.8 grams. Now time taken for 12 point radioactive substance to decay to this half-life is this. So that means in 138 seconds, it will convert into 6.4 grams. Then another T half, 138 seconds, it will convert into 3.2 grams. Am I right, kids? Now, then another t half that is 138 seconds, it will convert into 3.2, 1.5, 1.6. Am I right, kids? Then another t half 138 seconds, it will convert into 0.8. Am I right, kids? Then another t half 138 seconds, it will convert into 0.4 gram. So we have reached up to this. Now kids, it's a lengthy, but without any formula we have done it. Okay, Ashipriya. Done. I will. And don't make a request. It's your Baba H.S.P. Say to Baba H.S.P, Baba H.S.P will do it. Now, see 1 t half, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when I was a small, I was keep on doing 138, 138, 138. I was adding 5 times. Now, I have grown up child. What should I do? I can do 138 into 5. 8 पंच 40, 4 5 15, 4 19, 1 5 5 6, 690 seconds. 690 seconds. Baba is teaching you maths also, right? Now, the second approach. Should I tell you the second approach? Should I tell you the second approach, kids? Should I tell you the second approach? Now, see the second approach. Second approach. This is from modern physics. The second approach is from modern physics. Modern physics, you can say, or radioactivity, you can say, that T is equal to T half into N. T is total time period required is equal to T half into N, and N is equal to, how to write N? N I don't know. N though I don't know. Is there anyone who knows this formula? N, how to calculate N? How to calculate this N value? Is there anyone who knows that how to calculate this N value? So, can I write N is equal to N naught into T half, N is equal to N naught, initial concentration, into T half to the power N. Can I write like this, or some other formula? Or some other formula? Is there anyone who can let me know? N is equal to, this is left concentration, and this is initial concentration, into 1 by 2 raised to power N. Can I write like this? Just see, is it working or not? Is it working or not? Left concentration is equal to 0.4, initial concentration is equal to 12.8, and 1 by 2 raised to power N. This is working or not? Just calculate, kids. N is equal to N naught 1 by 2. Is it A is equal to A naught by 2? A is equal to A naught by, this formula is right, 11. This one. Or this is wrong. N is equal to N naught by 2 raised to power N, or N is equal to N naught divided by 2 the power N. Okay. So, this 2 should come over here. This 2 should come over there, or that will remain over there. Just see the formula I have written. This formula I have written is right or wrong. So, if I say like this, so 1 by 2 raised to power N, 1 by 2 raised to power N means what? So 2 will come over here. So just check it out. What's the value of N is coming? This will go over there. Just check it out. Last one is best, but check it out. bit complicated. Okay, so let's leave it. Let's leave this one. Now, let's leave it. Okay. Now, another formula, you know, that you can calculate K. You can calculate K, that T half is equal to 0.693 by K. So K will equal to 0.693 upon T half, and T half they have given 138. So we can put it in the formula, that is K is equal to 2.303 upon T log of A upon A minus X. A minus X is the left concentration. So in place of K, I can write 0.693 upon 138, that is equal to 2.303 upon T, and log of initial concentration is 12.8, and that is 0.4. Now my dear students, it's a lengthy calculation is there. Okay, Baba 5. Okay, now let's see how to apply. Can be cut it. Chartyo point, let me remove the point will cancel out. Chartyo 12 और 4 दूनी 8, 32 log 32 gets very tough. So can I write 32 in any another way? 32 square cube of 32. 32 is coming into any square or cube. So let me directly tell you the value of 32. 1.4 something it will come. 1.4 something it will come, and then we can solve it, right? We can solve it, or we can write down log 32 is equal to log 8 into 4, and then we can find out the log 8 value. We know log 4. So first one is the correct one. This we can easily solve it. Otherwise it is also going to take time. That is also going to take time. Am I right, kids? 8 multiply by 4. Yes. 5 means what, Santimoy Mandal? 5 means 5 is what? 5 log 2. 5 log 2. How 5 log 2? 2 to the power 5. Oh yaar, everyone, huge round of applause for Santimoy Mandal. 2 to the power 5 is 32. Yes, this we have studied in stereochemistry. 2 to the power 5. 2 दूनी 4 दूनी 8 दूनी 16 दूनी 32. Yeah, 5 log 2, and log 2 is 0.3. So let's say, let me calculate. 5 log 2, 5 into 0.3010. Pantyo 15, 1.5. So 1.5 something will come out, and then you can solve it. Very good, Santimoy Mandal, very good. Okay, Lucky Shiva said. Then congratulations to Lucky Shiva. Yes, very good. Now, another question. There are two questions. First and second. Just see. Solve it. There are two questions. Solve this one and solve this one. Let me see what answers you are going to get, kids. Everyone. Fast, kids, fast. The option is valid for zero order. My God, zero order. T half. This is very good question. First, solve this one. Let's see who can solve. 11 is going for C. How you have done it? Which option is valid for zero order reaction? It's very simple. If your visualization is good, then this is very simple. Those whose visualization is good, then this question is very simple. Otherwise, 11 मुझे बताओ, फॉर्मूला लगाया या विजुअलाइजेशन लगाया? फॉर्मूला लगाया या विजुअलाइजेशन? सच्ची बताना, टेल मी, you have done this question with the visualization or formula wise? Wow, Pranshrees, wow, rocking kids. Let's see the answer. Very good. Now this one. If a reaction A and B are given with same temperature, if reaction A and B are given with same temperature and same concentration, but rate of A is double than B, pre-exponential factor is same for A. Baba, I to don't know. This question is looking very tough. How to do it, kids? Wow, 11 visualization, 11 how to do this question, I to don't know. Kids, how you people are doing this question? This is looking very scary, How to do it? If a reaction A and B are given with same temperature and same concentration, but rate of A is double than B, pre-exponential factor A is same for both the reaction, then difference in activation, I don't know. How you people are doing it? Which formula you are applying? This formula? K is equal to A e raised to power minus EA by RT log K or ln K is equal to ln A minus EA upon RT. This formula you are applying, or ln A is equal to ln K plus EA upon RT. Now they are saying that just compare. So we can compare and we can get the answer, right? We can get the answer, only the difference. See what is same? They are saying what is same? They have given temperature and same concentration. So temperature is same and this will cancel out. This is same, so it will cancel out. Thank you, Lucky Shiva. Thank you. Arrhenius equation. Yes, Arrhenius. So everyone got it? Everyone got it? Or now another question. Very good, kids. Very good. Now next question. Do this question. When initial concentration of the reactant is double the half-life period of a zero-order reaction. Very good question. Do let me know. Very good question. Baba also know the answer. Of this question. B. Hey, Santi Moy Mandal, what are you doing? Lucky Shiva is also going for B. Everyone is going for B. Baba was knowing the answer, but Baba has got trapped. You kids are rocking. Baba got trapped. You are right. Because more the concentration, more will be the half-life period, because this is like this. Either you do it by visualization or with the formula, the answer will be D. Shalvi Singh is going for D. When initial concentration of reactant is double the half-life period. Shalvi Singh, double ho jayega. Kyun? You see the story. Shalvi Singh, I think you have missed this story. Otherwise, no need of applying formula. See, ye catalyst was there. This was the reactants. And this catalyst was in contact with whatever these molecules. This is C. 2 moles of ammonia undergoes decomposition on hot platinum surface. So the molecules which are in contact with this platinum catalyst, they will only convert into product. So more the concentration of reactant, more time will be required to convert into product. For completion of the reaction, more time will be required. For T half means half completion of the reaction, more time will be required. More and more passengers. Now see, I have told you this story. Ye ticket babu hai. They are giving ticket. to go into the train. So more and more passengers are increasing. So these people will require more time to make or to give ticket to half of the passengers. If the passengers will keep on increasing, more time will be required. This was the visualization. Okay, typo error. Array Baba. Baba explained each and everything. That was typo error. Oh, sorry. No problem. So question was this. We have done it. This one also we have done it. Where was this question? This. The answer is this. Now another question. Another question. Let's see what should be the answer of this question, kids. Fast, kids, fast. Only 10 minutes more. All the questions will get completed just in 10 minutes, okay? So 10 minutes more. Let me bring water, okay? You solve it. Just give me a minute. Let me bring water, okay, kids? Let me bring water, okay? Kids. Baba is back. Kids. Find T half first. Okay. A first order reaction has a specific reaction rate. What is the meaning of the specific reaction rate? Specific reaction rate means K. Remember that. K. How much time will it take for 20 gram of the reactant to reduce to this? K they have given. So only K is equal to 1 by T or 2.303 by T log base 10. Starting concentration upon left concentration. Starting concentration 20. Left concentration is 5 gram. So 5 choko 20. And in place of 4 we can write 2 square. So 2 log 2. And they have given K. So T is equal to 2.303 upon K. K they have given 10 raised to power minus 2. 10 raised to power minus 2 log. This in place of this we can write 2 log 2. 2 log 2. Log 2 is 0.3010. So 2 multiplied by 2 into 0.3010. So we know that if you multiply this thing 2.303, this comes out 0.693. So we know very well that this is 0.69. So T is equal to twice of 0.693 into 10 power minus 2. So it will come into 169, 6.93, 169.3. So we can take 70. So cancel it out. 69.3, 70, 2 into 70, 140, something less than 140, something less than 140. Only one is the answer, 138. B is the answer, right? Am I right, kids? Do let me know. Am I right? This B is the correct answer. We can do it like this. Am I right or not, kids? Do let me know. B is the correct answer coming. Sir, I said answer, you did not see it. Are Pranshri. Sir, I said answer, you did not see, sir. Oh, sorry. Sorry, Paramshri, but answer is right, Pranshri. And Lucky Shiva has written, sir, I asked, guys, remove this channel. He saying I am not. Honey, if you have any concern, email to. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Yeah, I'm right. I'm live. My dear students, B is the correct answer. Harsh and everyone, just see to it. So this is the correct answer. And now let's move out to another question. Let's move out to another question. This question. Just try to answer this question. Let's see what should be the answer. This is Ames question. The slope minus E upon 2.303R is obtained by the plot of. So log, they are giving log. So definitely this reaction belongs to. Let's see. No, you are not spamming. You are not spamming. You are not. Santimoy Mandal, Pranshri is very good student. And no, you are not spamming. Pranshri, you are very good student. Harsh, everyone is going for C. So sim, let's see. The answer of this is C is the correct answer. That's really awesome, really awesome. Now let's check it out. How to do it. How to do this question. Get C. If I write ln A means left concentration of A at time t is equal to ln A naught, the starting concentration, minus kT. Am I right, kids? Now, if I convert this ln, you know very well. So let me write down that kT belong. Let me bring kT over here. So can I write K is equal to 1 by T, and this ln And the starting concentration, if I bring Kt over here, the starting concentration over here, and upon that starting concentration upon the left concentration, right? So if I make it to be this one 2.3, the normal log, if I convert into normal log kits, then it will become K is equal to 2.303 upon T log base 10, the initial concentration. But they are not talking about this, they are talking about minus EA. So my dear students, how to find out minus EA? From where minus EA has come? In this formula minus EA so not coming. What should I do now? Which formula should I apply? Now my time got wasted in the examination because I was not able to apply where to apply EA formula. I have used this equation, but I was supposed to use another equation. I was supposed to use this equation. I should have used this equation. K is equal to AE raised to power, K is equal to A minus EA by RT, like this. K is equal to AE raised to power minus EA by RT, right? So log K is log K is equal to log A minus EA upon 2.303 RT. Now is it okay? Now is it okay? So let's compare this equal to y is equal to mx plus c. So if I rearrange it, I will get log K is equal to minus EA upon 2.303 R and 1 by T and plus log A. So this is equal to y, this will become y, and this will become minus mx plus c, the intercept. So what is the value of slope minus e upon 2.303 is obtained? So slope minus a upon 2.303 r is obtained when you represent log k versus 1 upon t. The answer is clear to all of you. Arrhenius equation. This is your Arrhenius equation. Am I clear, kids? If you got it, that equation was not to be used. That is the wastage of time. And in the examination, whenever you write something, always before writing, always think in your brain that whether that will reach to the destination or not. So remember that whenever you are solving anything in your paper, always first think in your brain. Always think before writing. Am I right, kids? Otherwise, this happens many times. आपके साथ हुआ कभी? Has it happened with you that you started writing and then you realized that is not going to reach to the destination and no one is going to tell you this thing? Tough name, very tough name to pronunciate. Muvraksh. Now my dear students, is it clear? And this is a really very, very good thing which I am telling you. Always think twice before writing, otherwise in the examination your time will get killed. Now this is the answer. Another question, kids. Now two questions over here. First you solve this question, this one, this question, solve it. Very good question. Let's see. First solve this question. Sir, my fire on right, wrong, more in that. No, you are right, and don't worry. You are very good student. Okay, very, very genuine student. Sir, shall we take? No, no, only 10 minutes. See this question, only 10 minutes more. Okay, kids. Pranshri is asking for break. Just 15 minutes more. All the questions will get completed. Pranshri, please, please, Pranshri, please. Only 10 more questions. Harsh is going for 4. Everyone, do let me know what should be the answer. D. Shanti Moy Mandal is also going for D. 3x speed, Shanti Moy Mandal. Okay, now see. 3x is the, oh, not the speed, 3x. D, yeah, right. Absolutely correct. Now let me check it out. 6, for a reaction, this, if the rate of consumption of BrO3 is X moles per liter, then calculate the rate of formation of Br2. 6, 3. So it is half of it. My God, half of the rate of consumption of Br3 is X moles per, then the calculate the rate of formation of Br2. Okay, if the rate of consumption of BrO3, oh, this is just 1. अच्छा, इसमें एक काम करें. Should I do one thing? When one people of BrO3 is dying, 3 Br2 are getting born. जब एक मरता है तो ये 3 नए पैदा हो जाते हैं. If this is getting died, 1 mole is getting died, then 3 people or 3 moles of people are getting formed. So 1:3. It's very simple. Why they are asking? ये ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछते क्यों हैं? Why they are asking such type of question? I can't understand. बताओ, ये कोई क्वेश्चन एम्स में पूछा है? मुझे बताओ भैया, मुझे बताओ, ये पूछने लायक क्वेश्चन है क्या? Should they ask such type of questions? Such a simple question. I can't understand why these people are asking such type of question. Now another question. This one. On increasing temperature from 200 to rate of reaction A increases by 3 times and the rate of reaction B increases by 9 times, then the correct relation between activation A. This question is genuine question. Very, very good question. Very good question. Wow, Pranshri. Wow. My God. 2. Let's see the answers. It's 3rd. It's not 2. It's 3rd. Let's check it out. Why it's 3rd? On increasing temperature from 200 Kelvin to 210 Kelvin, the rate of reaction A increases by 3 times and the rate of reaction B increases by 9 times. Then the correct relation between activation A. So you know the formula that K2 log K2 upon K1. You know this formula, K2 upon K1 is equal to E upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T2, T1 into T2. You know this formula? Everyone, just to let me know that you know this formula or not. If you write K2 upon K1, you will get E upon 2.303 R T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. The two temperatures you will get. Very good. It's C only. Everyone got it? This answer is clear, or should I solve it properly? It's simply ln K2 upon K1. That's the same reaction at 2 different temperatures, sir, but activation energy of A is greater than that of B. Okay, let me see, Pranshri. Let me check it out. On increasing temperature from 200 Kelvin to 220 Kelvin, rate of reaction A increases by 3 times and rate of reaction B increases by 9 times, then the correct relation between the activation area of A and B. So, yeah, this is EB. Activation area of B is twice of EA. Yeah, there is something fishy. On increasing temperature from 200 Kelvin to 220 Kelvin, the rate of reaction A increases by 3 times. Wow, wow. Now, Pranshri, this is very, very genuine question. Should I go into the depth? Should I, Santosh Raghuraman, should I go into the depth of this? Now, if I increase the temperature, how many of you thinking the activation energy will increase or decrease? Tell me first. I will ask few questions. Activation energy will increase or decrease? Everyone, this is very, very good question. If I increase the temperature, activation energy will get increase, decrease, or no change? Increase, decrease, or no change? Very, very genuine question. I would like to say very, very good question. Very, very good question. Very, very good question. Let me give flags to this question. Let me put flags to this question. Okay. Now tell me, if I increase the temperature, the activation energy will get increase, decrease, or no change? I'm waiting for your answer. I will tell you, Shyam, but right now do chemistry, then I will let you know. मैं बताऊंगा आपको. जल्दी से मुझे बताओ. Increases. Lucky Shiva is saying increases. Activation energy increases. Other people do let me know. If I increase the temperature, activation energy will increase, decrease, or no change? Lucky Shiva, only Lucky Shiva has given the answer. I'm waiting for everyone's. Now, my dear students, if I increase the temperature, I'm waiting for your answer also. 1111, Shantimoy Mandal and Pranshri, your answer. Mubaraka is saying increases. Everyone, Shantimoy Mandal, 1111, do let me know. If I increase the temperature, the activation energy will increase, decrease, or no change? So let me tell you the answer, no change. Everyone got failed. Everyone, all of you got failed. Activation energy, no change. Why no change? Why no change? How many of you got shocked? Remember that if I increases the two ways by which rate of reaction can get increased, either increasing the temperature or adding catalyst. If I add catalyst, then only the activation energy will get affected, it will decrease. And temperature has nothing to do with the activation energy. Temperature only increases the molecules energy. Let me draw the graph. Let me draw the graph. If I draw the graph for what I said, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and if I say that there is reactant, let me write down, here is potential energy and this is progress of reaction. And if I say the reactant is having this much of energy and it is, this energy if I say is 50 joule. So this is its own energy, reactant's own energy 50 joule. If I say this is 50 joule, this is reactant's energy. Now suppose the threshold energy is this much. If I say its value is 120 joules. So how much energy reactant will require more? At least what energy reactant should have more so that they can get converted into product? So they should have, so suppose if I say products energy is only 20 joules. So already they are having 50, 120 minus 50, 70. So 70, I will say this 70 is the activation energy without catalyst. This 70 is the activation energy for forward direction. This is activation energy for forward direction, that is equal to 70 joule. Now my dear students, if I add catalyst, then what it will do? It will change the path and it will make another path like this. Now if I say this energy is, earlier it was 70, now if I say it is only 10 joule, so the activation energy got decreased for forward direction. If the reaction is reversible, it got decreased for backward direction also. But if I increase the temperature, then there will be no alternative path. If I increase the temperature, only the molecules which were not able to cross this energy barrier, their energy will increase. There will be no change on this. So temperature will not change. Activation energy, remember that. Temperature will not change activation energy. So activation energy will remain same. Temperature only increases molecules energy. Now molecules energy. Now my dear students, now remember that what I say, if you increase the temperature, then the effect on endothermic reaction is more. Endothermic reaction means whose activation energy is more. For that side, the activation energy for forward direction is 70 joule, and for backward direction, this activation energy is 120. A for backward direction is 100 joule. That means this side more molecules are present, and if a reaction is reversible, then increase in temperature always increases that reactions rate which is being endothermic, because their molecules are more, because molecules are stable, so that will change. Effective collision will increase, and effective collision can only increase if the reactants are more. This side molecules are more because the stability is more, so effective collision and their speed will increase, so the effect is more. So always, that's why Le-Chatelier principle, if you know Le-Chatelier principle, suppose I say this is a reactant and that is product, if you apply Le-Chatelier, so reactant is converting into product plus heat. So if you supply more temperature, then this backward direction will be more. That is according to Le-Chatelier principle also. So it's getting supported by each and everything. How was the concept? Pranshri is saying, sir, I think reactants with higher activation energy are more sensitive to temperature. You are absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Whenever reactants which are endothermic, reactants whose endothermic means their activation energy is high. Endothermic, for forward direction it is exo, for that direction it is exothermic, and for backward direction this reaction is endothermic, and that means this activation energy is more. And you are absolutely correct, the reaction which is endothermic, the effect of increasing temperature will be more, and that's why the answer is, this answer is correct. Friends, Shri, your concept got changed. Everyone just do let me know how many of you people got new concept today for the first time. कितने लोगों को पहली बार ये बात समझ में आई? Friends, Shri, मजा आया कि नहीं? Is there anyone who has taught you this thing? Is there anyone who has taught you this thing? Always we are saying for each 10-degree rise in temperature, the rate of reaction becomes double. Nobody is saying whether it is endothermic or exothermic. No one is telling you. No one. So these are the answers. See, very good questions and rocking question. This question is really rocking question. Rocking question. This was simple, very simple. First one was very simple, and this is very good question. Very, very good question. This one. Now only 5 minutes more, 5 minutes more, then the session will get over, right? Anaconda question. Yes, Lucky Shiva, you're right. It's like a anaconda question. Shanti Mohamandal is going for 24.1. The rate of a first order reaction is this at 10 second and this at 20 second after initiation of the reaction, the half-life of the reaction. Let's see. Shanti Mohamandal has given 11 has given. So this is very, very simple question and A is the correct answer for this. Very good, kids, very good. How you have solved it, that you know, it's a very simple question, so everyone can solve it and everyone has given the answer, so no need to solve this question. Now let's see another question. This question, kids, do let me know what is the answer of this question, everyone. If your visualization is good, you can easily solve this question. आपका visualization is good, very good, Pranshri, V Shyam, Shanti Mohamandal, 11. If your Shiva, Lucky Shiva, very good. If your visualization is good, till now the question could have solved, kids. It depends on the visualization only. If your visualization is A, 11, yes. If you are decreasing reactants concentration and half-life, so definitely it is zero order, because if it would have been first order, if this reaction would have been first order, then no change on the T half would have happened. Very good visualization. This one, Pranshri, this question, Pranshri, this question you are talking about. Let me put flag where the flag is. Flag one, this flag one. Pranshri, I think a bit confusing. This question, Pranshri, you are talking about this question. Now see, in the starting I have told you, if more and more reactants are coming for zero order, then more and more time will be required for completing the reaction. Just wait. See the story. Fundamental scientific story. Pranshri, aha, you missed that story. In the starting, you were not present. You missed this story. More the number of reactants, everyone would not be in touch with this catalyst. The molecules which are in touch with this catalyst will only convert into product. Just like if everybody is not in touch with Baba H.S.P, number of people are there, if they are not in touch with Baba H.S.P, they will not easily crack the Neet exam, IIT examination. Only the people, those who are in touch with Baba H.S.P, Baba can change their life. So rate of reaction, the people, those who are going to convert their life, those who are going to pass the entrance examination, that doesn't depend on the number of people, 24, 26 lakhs, whatever the number of aspirants are there. The one who is in touch with Baba H.S.P, only they are going to convert into product. So it does not depend on the number of reactant molecules. It depends on how many molecules are in contact with catalyst, and Baba is a positive catalyst. Oh my God, today I made a new example. Baba is just a positive catalyst. Those who are in touch with the surface of Baba, face of Sir, they will only able to cross this energy barrier. Others will not be able to cross the energy barrier. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Very good. Today, though, it's really awesome. So we have reached to this one, zero order reaction. This one, solve this question, 6 question. Now after 6, only 4 questions are left. 4 or 5 questions. Very good, Pranshri, very good. 4 to 5 questions are left. When initial concentration of reactant is doubled in a reaction, its half-life period is not affected. Now the visualization. Shall we sing? Really liking that example. A, Pakka first order reaction, a first order visualization. Power of visualization, power of visualization, power of visualization. So this is the answer. Now next question. The activation of a reaction can determine from the slope of which of the following graphs? ln K versus 1 by T. So it's simple. It's simple that you know ln K versus 1 by T. This we have already done. Second answer, right? Second answer. Now, next question. This is fourth. Solve it. ln K versus 1 by T. Yes, yes. Solve this question, kids. Pranshri is going for B. If in a first order reaction, 75% of the reaction completes in 4 hours, then how much time it required to complete? Okay. This is a really very good question. You could have solved it and your answer is right. Pranshri, your answer is right. 11, 11, your answer is right. We could have used the same formula that 3 by 4, 4 by 5. So T half you can calculate and you can solve this question. Definitely. It's like, it's my choice. It's my choice. Now, my dear friends, should I tell you one another way of solving this question? Should I tell you? Should I tell you without formula? Should I tell you without formula? Without formula means 75%. Suppose if I start with 100 gram and in some time period it's remaining 50 gram and in some time period it's remaining 25 gram. So that means in two half-life period, 75% got completed. Am I right? 75% got completed. And this is requiring 4 hours. 4 hours divided into 2 hour and 2 hour. So I got to T half. Now they are writing required completion of 87.5%. So just see, if 2 hours more if I supply, then I'll be getting 12.5, and you add from here to here, how much got completed? 87.5 got completed from here to here. 87.5% got completed, and it will require 6 hours because 2 hours, 2 hours and 2 hours. This is nice visualization or not? Without using any formula, we can solve the question. Tell me, Pranshri. Shantimoy Mandal, yes, what is your trick? Do let me know. What is your trick? Salvi Singh, do let me know. Without using any formula, I have solved this question. This is in my trick. This is given in my trick. If you see chemical kinetics lecture, I have given one trick. Very good. That is the trick. Yeah. Now, Now second, after this only one question is left. After this only one question is left, kids. So Pranshri, I said no need to take break. Only one more question is left. 1 or 2 minutes only. Shanti Moy Mandal, yes. 11, yes. Everyone, do it fast, quick, quick. Energy of activation of forward reaction for an endothermic process is this, enthalpy change is this, then activation. You can solve it speedily. Let me solve simultaneously. Let me solve it simultaneously. Energy of an activation, this is progress of reaction. This is what to say, enthalpy, energy. So energy of activation of forward reaction for an endothermic. So first let me write down endothermic looks like this. This is endothermic. Now energy of activation of forward reaction. So let me write down this in between these two. The difference they are saying, the difference, this difference they are talking about, this difference they are talking about is how much? Energy of activation for forward reaction of endothermic progress is energy of activation. So energy of activation, enthalpy change is 20 joules. So 20, this is 20 joule they have given. Then the activation is for change. Now, and energy of activation for 50 kilojoules. So 50 kilojoule, already this much energy it was having. So 50 kilojoules. So this is, am I right, kids? Whatever I am drawing is right. 50 kilojoules. So let me write down 50 kilojoule. This is 50 kilojoule. Am I right, kids? Am I right or not? And the product has been found. So 50 minus 20, 50 minus 20, this for backward direction, if you talk about this backward, so 30 joule or kilojoule, this is kilojoule, this is kilojoule, 30 kilojoule. So answer is A. Baba has taken too much time. My kids have solved it. Baba is taking too much time, kids. Baba to don't know anything. My kids, students, aspirant, future doctor and engineers, they have solved it. But Baba is taking too much time, kids. See, Baba has taken this much of time. But I think you people have got it. You people understood, right? Clear or not? First of all, do let me know whatever I have drawn over here. This is energy for backward direction, 30 kilojoule, and that was 50 for activation energy for forward direction. I have written over here forward direction, and this activation energy for backward direction I have written over here, and this is endothermic reaction. So delta H was positive because delta H is positive for endothermic. Everyone, if it is clear, I would like to see the green signal in the chat section that yes. Lucky Shiva sir, how you write 12.5 in previous question? Okay, let me go back. Let me go back. This one you are talking about, this one. See, they are saying half of 25 gram is how much? Half of 100 is 50, half of 50 is 25, half of 25 is 12.5 gram. Got it, Lucky Shiva? Half. Every time the people will get half. Clear? Last question. Now last question. Oh, Baba, you are chemician. Wow, this is new word. Kareens, thank you. In place of magician, chemician. Wow, yes, salute. Now last question. Lucky Shiva, you got it or not? Lucky Shiva. Now last question. Very good. Lucky Shiva, very good. Now, what is the activation energy for a reaction if its rate doubles when temperature is raised from 20 degrees to 35? What is the activation energy? So, which formula we will use? Which formula? Which formula we will use? K2 upon K1 is equal to EA upon K2 upon K1. D, very good. D is the answer, correct answer. Same, disclose the answer. D is the correct answer, kids. D. This is all for today, kids. This is all for today. And my dear students, in the evening, I will put one video of 10 minutes, just 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, where I will let you know all the formulas, how to remember the formulas without using any brain, how to put the formulas in your brain for pH, whatever related to pH, number of times KAC is coming, number of times Ka upon C is coming, buffer solution, when it is getting formed, pH of salt, hydrolysis, once minus sign is coming, plus sign is coming. Are you confused in that? Sir, if rate doubles from 10 to increases, activation is usually around, wow, very good. Option A. No, you have to apply the formula log K is equal to A, log K is equal to log A minus E upon RT, log K2 upon K11, right? Yeah, these questions are more than enough. And Pranshri, I have given one trick for E1, E2. Have you enjoyed that class? Have you seen that video? E1, E2, SN1, SN2. Yeah, Lucky Shiva. Today I will put that schedule. Definitely. I will put one strategy video for class 11. That will be of 3 to 4 minutes, right? Okay, let's do one thing. Let's give homework. This question is for your homework. Whether Pranshri is going for A and we said fourth, just see this should be the answer or this should be the answer, and you have to give the answer in the comment. This is your homework question. Everyone go through it and do let me know. Answer in the comments. Answer in comment, right, kids? Everyone see to this question. This question is your for homework, right, kids? Right? Pranshri, okay. J mains question, Baba. Yes, survey shorts. You see, I have given one short video that is having KTG and thermodynamics as well as chemistry. That question have you solved? The short video. And you see number of questions for your homework also, IIT questions. One kid is asking that, Baba, questions, this is your homework. See, even 1111 has asked for questions for homework. I have bring questions for you. See, this is your question, homework question. You have to solve it, okay? This question. Then this question, this is for your homework. You have to tell me the answers in the comment. I will let you know the answers. This another question. These two questions, they are for your homework. These are IIT questions. This question gets everyone. These are the questions for your homework. Somebody asked for even 1111. You have asked for the questions for homework. Baba is here with questions for your homework kits. Baba has brought number of questions for your homework kits. You have to solve these questions. Now this though we have done. This though we have done right now. Okay, kids? Is it clear? Happy? Survey short? Happy? Do let me know happy or not. Bye to all of you. Take care and do proper revision. And then we will come with another chapter, right? And first I will make one video on ionic equilibrium, and then I will come with ionic equilibrium and its questions. Right, kids? Bye-bye. Take care. Class for 11th. Now today I will put a strategy, and from tomorrow I will start for class 11th, right? And that's why I'm telling you ionic equilibrium. Now ionic equilibrium I will first teach, and then I will give questions, right? Or I will do one thing. I will, for class 11th, I will go from the scratch, from mole concept, okay? For class 11th, I will go from the scratch, okay? PDF I will share in Telegram. So everyone, join this Telegram link, is over here, t.me/HSP, and I will share it over here. This is my Telegram link, kids. Those who are new, just join it. I will share each and everything. I will keep on sharing very, very good tricks along with questions and their answers, and the PDF will get shared on this Telegram, right? Mole concept. Okay, Lucky Shiva. V Sham, I will give solution of that. Lucky Shiva, atomic structure. Okay. I will start from the basic for class 11th student. Okay. Lucky Shiva, don't worry. I will move very slowly for class 11th because they have not to give the examination right now. So I will make them perfect. Bacha, Lucky Shiva, very good. And Sham, I will try to solve your problem. And शांति मोय मंडल, नहीं नहीं कैसे, तुमसे नाराज क्यों होऊंगा? बाबा, आर यू एंग्री? ना शांति मोय मंडल, क्यों क्यों ऐसा क्यों लगा? हे बाबा, ऐसा आपको क्यों लगा? मेरा नाम नहीं लिया? अरे तुम तो हमारे दिल के करीब हो, दिल में रहते हो शांति मोय, दिल में, आप दिल में बसे हुए हो शांति मोय. Lucky Shiva, Shanti Moy, everyone, kids, everyone. Okay, so take care and do proper revision, kids. And then I'm thinking one more thing. In April, what I will do, I will move line by line NCERT. I will cover the whole NCERT and I will move line by line because NCERT writes in between the lines. So I will cover each and every chapter line by line of NCERT, right? Bye kids. मैंने 11 का भी नाम नहीं लिया. Sir, purification of organic compounds. Okay. So yeah, I will keep one session for purification also. Anything else, do let me know in the comment section, okay? Please do that NCERT one. Yeah, I'm always thinking, and I'm going to start. I have to purchase one this laptop and what you call it, MacBook, and one iPad that I have to purchase, and then I will sit in along with the NCERT and I will keep on telling you each and everything, right? Thank you 11. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Bye. Take care and do proper revision, okay? And see, 11 is having too much faith on Baba. He's saying, Baba, go your own way. How to get the rank, that is the most important thing. And those who are connected with me, those who are regular, those who are consistent. Now see, in the starting 11 was regular, then Shanti Moy Mandal, then Pransri also got regular, and now Lucky Shiva because he is in 11th. So today I will put the schedule. Lucky Shiva is going to be regular. Shalvi Singh is very regular, and number of other students. Sahana, I think Sahana nowadays, Shahana is I think let me check. I will ask whether she is in problem. Otherwise she is very regular. My cool tube Jyoti is regular. Number of students are there who are really regular. Kareem's is also regular, but alternate days, right? So my dear students, bye, take care, okay? Magical Guru H.S.P. Bye bye, take care, okay? All the best, kids. Surya Buddha, yes, but his health is not um right now good, and that's why. Otherwise, Surya Buddha is very good. Yes, Lucky Shiva, yes. V Sham is also regular. V Sham, I have forgotten your name. V Sham is also regular, but alternate days, huh? Isn't it? V Sham, am I right?